KAI GPS Drone Operation Video Tutorial. Outdoor Flight. Find an open place outdoors to search for enough satellite signals. Take out the remote control and the drone. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Expand the remote. First turn on the drone switch. And wait for the camera to return to the center. And then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control died sound linking successfully. The remote control gyroscope is calibrated. The light continues to flash quickly and then end. Then the compass correction operation. At this time, a beep was heard. Then pick up the drone and rotate it clockwise horizontally until it clicks. Then rotate the drone camera vertically downward and clockwise until a beep sounds. At which time the drone lights flash. Place and wait for the drone to search for satellite signal. And wait for the red light to be on after the remote control limits 8, 5 or 4 lights are on. Just search for enough satellite signal. Unlock the operation. You can raise the throttle to take off. Click the one key return button to return home immediately. APP operation demonstration. Scan the instruction manual to download the drone APP and install it. Then turn on the mobile phone Wi-Fi to connect to the signal sent by the drone. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the drone APP. And click the phone to start flying. GPS Smart Follow. Tap GPS in the Select Device item on the APP. Drone Following function. GPS Pointing Flight. Tap the Pointing Flight button on the APP. Tap the screen to set the flight route. Click the airplane icon on the screen after setting. Drone for pointing flight. GPS Fixed Point Surround. Tap the Fixed Point Orbit button on the APP and enter the flight radius. Click the airplane icon on the screen after setting. Indoor Flight. Push the GPS button on the remote control to indoor mode. Unlock the inner figure. And you can raise the throttle to take off. Changing the wind blade. When installing the new bend blade, pay attention to distinguish the AB bend blade. After pressing, rotate and remove the old bend blade. A bracket corresponds to a bend blade and B bracket corresponds to B bend blade. After pressing, rotate and install the bend blade. Charging demonstration. When the battery is charging, the blue is always on. When the battery is full, the blue light goes out. When the battery is charging, the blue is always on. When the battery is full, the blue light goes out.